Good afternoon, students. Here we are going to continue the chapter Food Security in India, and in this chapter, we are going to discuss about the last topic role of cooperative. So, let us see role of cooperatives in food security. So, as here figure is showing that there is joint effort by all the members of that group. So, in this is the concept of cooperative. The cooperative are also playing an important role in food security in India, especially in the southern and western part of the country. Generally, cooperatives are running any organization jointly, and each member of this cooperative is equally responsible for upliftment of the organization, for the production, for the ownership. In all the responsibility, they are equally responsible, and whatever the output is coming, profit is coming, that is distributed among the members of the cooperative according to their efforts given. So this way, this cooperative is also playing important role in India for providing the food security, especially in the southern and western part of the country. The cooperative societies set up shops to sell low priced goods to poor people. So these cooperatives are setting up the different shops for providing the different variety of goods at affordable rate, cheaper rate than other shops. For example, out of all fair price shops running in Tamil Nadu, around 94% are being run by the cooperative. In Delhi, Mother Dairy is making strides in provision of milk and vegetables. So Mother Dairy is playing very important role in providing this milk and vegetables to consumer at controlled rate decided by the government of Delhi. So this way, so the price of the goods decided by the government of Delhi is offered by the Mother Dairy cooperative. Amul is another success story of cooperative in milk and milk products from Gujarat. So this Anand Milk Union Limited, this is a very famous name in the milk and their byproducts production. It has brought about the white revolution in the country as it tried at the highest level in arranging collecting the milk from the farmers and processing it and making it available all over the country. Similarly, in Maharashtra, Academy of Development Science ADS has facilitated a network of NGOs for setting up grain banks in different regions. So this is Academy of Development Science ADS. It is providing a network of NGOs setting up grain banks different regions. ADS organizes training and capacity building programs on food security for NGOs like cooperatives. Green banks. Green banks are now slowly taking shape in different part of Maharashtra. In these green banks, generally the people deposit their grains, means whatever surplus grain they have, that they deposit to the green banks, and accordingly when time is coming of food shortage, or you can say whenever they need the grain, they are easily getting from the grain banks, just like the banks whatever interest rate is charges as a processing fee. So that way some, that also interest also paid in the form of grain only. So everything here handled in the form of grain, so that way it is helping a lot in providing the grain availability in the region. ADS efforts to set up grain banks to facilitate replication through other NGOs and to influence the government's policies on food securities are thus paying rich dividends. So in this way, they are doing much effort in providing the green all over the country. Mainly they are working in the southern part of the country, and as NGOs are getting training from that ADS, and that way they are able to help the government by running ration shops also. So this way, and as the green banks are playing important role in providing the food security, so that way they are helping to the government also in ensuring the food security in India. Now the ADS Grain Bank program is acknowledged as successful and innovative food security interventions. So as ADS Grameen Bank program is also there, and it is providing innovative food security to the different southern part of the country. So this way it is a very successful story, and often we hear in newspaper, television, that most of the people in southern part of the country take the facility of ration card, ration shops, and due to this they are able to maintain the food security in their region. They are able to take the benefit of the government policy. So thank you students. This was the last topic from the chapter. Rest you read the chapter, revise the chapter. If any problem comes, so ask. Thank you. Have a nice day.